Lots of people may makes fun of you. They irritate you. They stare you down. They call you fool. They just tell it's impossible for you. Now you decide whether it is possible. It's you prove them wrong. Either you prove yourself or get back your ass. Let me remind you, you are born to compete. You already had won the battle. Born as a woman among 84 lakhs species, you had won over 200 million sperm. So you are born as a woman. You are born to become leader, no matter what's your color, height, weight, whether you are rich or poor, educated or uneducated. You are unique. You are in compete. Step up. Make your ass up. Start moving. I wanna encourage somebody out there who is thinking about quitting and giving up. Somebody who has been praying for years for the things to turn around. You are thinking of quitting. You are thinking of giving up. You are folding. You are caving in. This is for you. During a storm, you are down on your knees and you are weak and you feel like this is the end. You have the choice to either give up or keep going. Give up or get up. Don't give up. I said don't give up. Stay in it. Stay focused. When you fail, try again and again and again. You just take one step at a time. It's hard, but it's worth fighting. It's worth believing. It's worth mustering yourself up, standing by your side. It's worth fighting relentlessly, never giving up. I love the sun, but thinking doesn't grow because of sun. You have to have some rain. My greatest moment didn't come from my greatest moment. My greatest moment came from my greatest defeat, because it was during my defeat I had to find myself to get back. Work in silence. Make your success be noisy. People who walk alone, no matter how struggle the situation is, one day the crowd follow him. Successful people decision change the world, whereas unsuccessful people change their decision because of the fear of the world. Victory or defeat, it's only depend on your thought. If you think, you will get defeated, but if you hold on, you will get victory. Yes, I said if you hold, you will get victory. If you want to shine like a sun, then be ready to burn yourself like a sun. To achieve your dream, you don't have to be smart. All you have to be crazy for your dream. No any goal is bigger than human bravery. Person is defeated if he doesn't try. After every storm there is a clear climate. Likewise, after a struggle, life is smooth. Try to smile when you are broken from the inner heart. Then I promise you, no matter what the condition is, no anyone will have courage to break you down. At least walk on the path up to which you are seeing. Once you reach up to that path, further roadmaps will be automatically seen. Every small step is the beginning of the success. People who become successful when he start changing himself rather than the world. By reading, analyzing on positive thought, you can't get success. You get success only when you act. Don't regret on yourself when people are gone, when they left you. Make a decision, act on it, bounce back, let them regret. Because you are unique, you are smart, you are honest to yourself, you are disciplined, you have the strength of holding your life and take wherever you want to. That's life, just one life, just to prove yourself. You're born, make it worth it.